दुश्मन को जिसने झांसी का किया अपमान, उखाड़ फेंका हर दुश्मन को जिसने झांसी का किया अपमान। मर्दानी की परिभाषा बनकर आजादी का दिया पैगाम, मर्दानी की परिभाषा बनकर आजादी का दिया पैगाम। रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, it is such a unique name that has made very special place in the heart of every Indian. She was known for her braveness. Hello everyone, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Sanvi Sharad Jadhav. Today we celebrate Independence Day. On this occasion, I am going to speak about Queen of Jhansi. She was the greatest freedom fighter who sacrificed her life for nation. She was born on 19 November 1828. Her father name was Morupant Tambe and mother name was Bhagirathi Tambe. She was found on very bravely with the British. She gave the famous slogan, मैं अपनी झांसी नहीं दूंगी. She died on 18 June 1858. आदिशक्ती तू, प्रभूची भक्ती तू, झांसीची राणी तू, मावळ्यांची